It's obvious you're watching this video because you want to make some cool checks and cash in those big bucks in this year 2023. Well, I'm created by Haadi and I'm here to tell you how you can get up to $500 daily in 2023. First of all, there is no magic to this. Yeah, you have to be committed and you have to put in the effort. Yeah, because cause and effect, remember, cause and effect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yeah, and hit that post notification button and like this video. Yeah, let's get on with it. Well, like I said from the beginning, it's not some magical trick video. This involves some certain skills you need to have, yeah, or you might want to have, yeah, aside what you're already doing, maybe education and all that stuff. So the first is graphics and web design, yeah. This comes to using things like Photoshop and Figma, yeah, for user interface, user experience designs. This is basically the backbone of many apps and like websites that exist, and flyers, posters, almost everything that involves color picking and color combinations of different kind of fonts and colors and shapes and all that. It involves graphics. Even your phone, your laptop, whatever you're using to watch this, the icons, the interface, the windows, the apps, everything, basically everything on it it first started as like a design before someone had to process that design into code and all that stuff. Yeah, so design is the first. You can get freelancing opportunities in design. You can also work officially in all this. Even Microsoft, you can work in Apple, you can work in Google as a UI UX designer or as a graphic designer, whatever it is, or as a web designer. Yeah, they all center around stuff like Figma, Photoshop, and Adobe XD. So that's it for graphic designs. The next one is called web development. Yeah, web development is like after the designers have done their jobs, they bring it over to you, and your job is to process it into codes, into something usable, something applicable to a website, the World Wide Web, or Web3, or Web2, whatever it is. Now, web development is broad. It's subdivided into either front end, back end, or full stack. Yeah, you can specialize in one of the three. So when you do front end, you basically do the side that we the users see with our eyes. While when you do back end, you basically do that side that processes stuff that we don't see. Everything that happens that we don't see happens in the back end. Yeah, that's how it's done. Yeah, and then we have full stack, which is the combination of front end and back end. Yeah, those guys are hotcakes. So either one of these three, you could pick up skills in them, and trust me, you can never ever run out of opportunities for employment if you actually focus on consistency and learning the skill. Why? Because almost every day we have a new website needing to be created, and also existing websites. Almost every business has a website. Yeah, even the big boys like Apple, Google, and Co, they all have websites, and they need people that maintain the websites. That's it. Actually, you can't run out of opportunities. If you want to learn web development, I made a video 1st of January, I think. Yeah, that broke it down. But basically, what you need to know, you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, or backend. Yeah, you need to get into frameworks like React and all the rest of them. Yeah, so that's basically, and that can give you big money. Yeah, I think web developers on average get paid up to 160 something dollars. Sorry, up to like I think $70,000 per year. I don't know why I mixed that up. Yeah, so that's definitely more than $500 a day actually. So yeah, you can even get freelance opportunities also. Yeah, that's basically what I want to talk about at the end of this video, freelancing. Yeah, because that's where you can like decide how your income should be based on how fast you can work and how much opportunities you can also get. So number 3, we have photography. Now photography, basically, events, either federal events, social events, whatever kind of events, even basically down to blogs, newsletters. You see the kind of HD images, those HDR pictures you see everywhere. They are all done by photographers. Basically, you can't just create a camera, shoot a video or a picture, and just think it just processes into that colorful wallpaper worthy picture you see on the internet. That definitely works for a photographer. So as a photographer, what you do is basically you get a camera. Yeah, but camera just like the icing on the cake, because camera just does capturing the pictures. You have to edit. Editing is like the main photography, either Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom. Yeah, one of those two. And that gets you money. I mean, photographers get paid based on their skills too, but People contract you for photo shoots, birthday shoots, all kinds of shoots. And for number 4, we have video editing and content creation, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, never thought a video will apply to me. Okay, not what I'm doing, sorry. Video editing. This basically involves grabbing a bunch of videos and then you're able to put cool transitions, you're able to edit them, put cool color correction and all that. Put also good audio with the video. You know, the way I do it on YouTube, or I trying to tell me my video is bad. Yeah. So video editing is also a very good opportunity to get up to $500 daily or even more, because there are positions for video editors everywhere, even on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, yeah, Arc, the rest of them. So video editing is also a cool one. Yeah, all you have to do is grab something like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut by Apple, and iMovie, stuff like that. If you can learn this kind of softwares, then you can call yourself a video editor. Yeah. Disclaimer: I only know Premiere Pro, iMovie, and Filmora. So, yeah. And the bonus, and one of the most important things, actually, it's not itemized though, but let's call it number 5. You need ideas on freelancing, because when you learn all these skills, the idea is what next. If you learn video editing or content creation, you can come over to YouTube or TikTok, something that pays, and then you can begin to edit videos and put them just like what I'm doing. Yeah, you can see me. This is an edited video by me, Haadi. Sorry, Haadi is the past. Why do I keep saying that? Anyways, and also if you learn other skills like web development and tech, the rest of them, I'm going to leave links in my description of freelancing sites. There is Upwork. Upwork is an app. There is Fiverr. There is Arc. Even LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a good place to get jobs. So like, yeah, freelancing, getting the opportunities is one of the next things, because you have to have the skills to accurately search for the kind of position you're looking for and snatch it. Yeah, I'm still working on that actually, but yeah. So I guess that's it for how to make $500 daily in 2023 legitimately. So all in all, if this video was useful to you, don't forget to drop a subscription. That's a bit creative, yeah. And also like the video. Like I said in the beginning, I had you out. Dr. Strange magic. So essentially, Dr. Strange just fixes his hand like an idiot.